Well, welcome everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a new app to our arsenal of things in our iPads and in our computers. And it's an app called Skitch. Skitch is I think a really fun program to use. It allows us to capture pretty much anything on screen or on the web, a PDF. Take a picture, mark it all up, really make it yours, make it personal, enhance it, and really make it something that will work for you in a presentation or a picture or whatever it might be. For me as an educator, one of the great things about it is, well, it's free. And I use a variety of different screen capture types of apps, but so far this is the best one I've seen. Even if it costs a little bit, I probably would have put the money down, but it's free. It's like a bonus. So I'd like to show you that to you. And it's called Skitch. And I'm going to show it to you on the computer. And then I'm going to make another video or two on how to use it on an iPad and how to use it on an iPhone, because they're a little bit different. But if you don't have this app and you're in one of my classes, please get it, because it will help you on a variety of different projects you're going to be doing in class. So there's a couple different ways you can get Skitch to work on the computer. If you go down to whatever icon you're going to use for it, but right here it's called Skitch. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and launch it. And when it launches, it looks like this. Now, you can also use it, if you can see right up here at the very top of my pull-down menu, it has like a little arrow's tail. That will work just as well. But I want to first of all show you how to use it on screen. Like for instance, if I wanted to capture my desktop, what was on my desktop, and I'm going to capture my desktop. And what you would do is you could click full screen. You could screen a snap, but I want to hit full screen because I want to just kind of crop out the only thing that I want. So I'm going to hit that. Whoops. And what that did is it just caught everything else. I want to remove all this. So really what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and put that away for right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a Crosshair Snapshot. And what that allows me to do is just capture exactly what it is I want. And then I hit click right down here. If you can look right down at the very, very bottom right hand, it says capture or cancel. It says the width 15. I'm right down here. So I'm going to hit capture. And I want to get rid of that first one. And there it is. Now what I've done is basically cropped it. So now what I can do is I can put a title on it. And I'm going to put half dome. So I can give it a title. And then let's say I want to bring your attention to something down right here. So I'm going to get an arrow and I'm going to point to that little something right down there. Now, whoops, I'm going to get rid of that. So I can click on the arrow and I can move it around. I can reorient it. I can even change its color. So if I go right down here where this chartreuse dot is, it says color, I can click it and I can change the color of it. And then of course I can reorient it however way I want to. So that's how you would use that. Now if that's the image that I really want, what I would do is I'd come over here, I got export, give it some type of name. I'm going to give it half dome. And then I'm going to click save. And when I click save, it goes right to my desktop and there's half dome right there. So there are other things that we can do. Like for instance, if I wanted to take a picture, I could just click on that, and what it'll do is if you have an iPad or something in front of this camera or an iPad, you can take a picture of it and mark it all up if you want. You can also get an image, for instance. So let's go ahead and click on image, and what it's going to do, whoops. First of all, let's get an image to get. So I'm going to click on this. And right now my students are doing basically reports on biomes, and in particular a oak woodland. So they need some images, like let's say. So they're going to click on, let's see here. Let's move that out of the way. What we're going to do here is we're going to click on image. So we're going to click and open an image, and we're going to open that image from the photos of my iPhoto, my iPhoto app. And so what's going to happen is I've taken a variety of different pictures all over the county, and my students have done the same thing, and we put them all together on different sites. And I'm just going to go to my iPhoto and click one. There we go. I'm going to click on this one right here. I'm going to open it. This is one of I'm going to discard the previous one I did because I've already saved it. And now it's captured it. Now I can mark this all up. This is a picture that I took outside of Napa County, and we're looking down in this gully, and there's a variety of different oaks there. And so we had to go out and we had to map them out, and we had to name them. So, like, for instance, as an example of what we were doing, I can, first of all, I'm going to give it a name, and we're going to give it a name, see, Oaks of Napa County. And we're going to make it a little bit bigger and make it bigger. There you go. Now, the other thing, too, is I wanted to bring attention to some of the paths they're going to see. They're usually deer trails or some kind of a large mammal trail. So we're going to, of course, put a little marker right there. I'll get rid of this one right here. And then, for instance, I want to draw attention to a particular oak. So I'm going to get this question mark out, and then by turning this little button right here, I can make it point to whatever I want, move it inside here. And then this little thing here is you can write a little like question or some kind of statement. Just put what type of oak. And it kind of limits you to how much you can write. So anyway, that allows you to mark this up. You can give it out to them as a map. You can give it out to them as an example of what they're supposed to do. Now you can go ahead and print it. You can send it to them. You can put it on the website. You know, whatever you want to do, because this is going to save it as a PDF. It could also save it in a variety of other formats as well. But I'm going to export it, and I'm going to call it Woodland. And I'm just going to say hit save. So what this allows me to do then is capture just any picture, mark it all up however I want it to make it fit my presentation or what have you. So those will take care of that. But how about websites? Let's go ahead and bring up the website I had up before. I want this picture right here. All I'll have to do is click on this. I can have it timed. I can hit the full screen, but I just want a crosshair snapshot. Notice I'm not directly in the app. It allows me to access the tools that are in the app, and let's say I want to capture that. So I capture it, and I want to focus in on a particular. Here we got shapes. Actually, I'm going to draw a picture of where we were. Oops, let's get it down just a little bit further. There we go. Perfect. And now what I want to do is I want to draw a picture of it, where we were. Get an arrow on it. Right there. Oops. There we go. Right there. And then I can put, say, Napa. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. And then drag it down to there. So now I have an opportunity for them to see where we were, and they can see that we're the variety of distribution of forests. Like right there, we were in an oak woodland forest. So anyway, that's how you use Skitch, and I'm sure you will use it in a variety of different ways. But I just wanted to show you some very, very quick ways in which you can use it. Some of the tools, they have a pixelating tool, they have a drawing tool, they have a cropping tool, they have a line tool. There's all different kinds of ways you can use this. And it's quick, it's easy, and the best thing, it's free. You can put it on your iPhone, you can put it on your iPads, you can put it on your computers, PC or Mac. But I hope that this video has helped you in some way, capturing the skill set that you need to be able to use this terrific program. So I hope that's helped you, and we'll see you out in the lab. Thanks.